black icons. And these gutter rats are going into slavery, this piece of shit. These are, according to the Bible, they are the Amalek. The white people, they have different tribes. Just like how you have the Muslim, you have the Saudi Arabia, and then you have the Iranians, and you have like the Syrians. You have they're all different tribes of Muslims, but they come from one father. Right? These are just one tribe of the white people. They have the white people. They have Gog and Magog. Russia is known as God, but they are white people. They're descendants from Ishmael. This is the Amalek. They're from the Amalek. They're one tribe. Okay? No, they're going to be slavery. Hardcore slavery for 1,000 years, and that's how they're going to be rounded up and burned. You understand? They're going into slavery.
Je weet niet eens wat hij zegt.
Je weet niet wat ik zeg, man. Zie je, dat is het probleem. Mensen weten niet wat er gaat over. Ze denken dat ik ben zoals die andere mensen niet mensen.
Ja, maar dat zijn niet domme mensen. Hij is, je weet wat het gaat. Dat gaat. Ja.
Maar dat moet je je mensen ook leren. Je moet je mensen ook vertellen wie is de enemy.
Dat weet ik, maar dat
Snap je? Want je ziet geen Negro. Die ga jou van die stelen. Snap je? Nou, het zegt je, right? Genesis 25:25. And he will destroy in this mountain the face of the covering cast over all people and the veil that is spread over all nations. I'm going to break it down. It says, and he shall destroy, which is the Most High, by his word, this word. It says, and he will destroy in this mountain, this government, right, the face of the covering cast over all people, because the face of the covering cast, because the whole world has a veil. Nobody knows. The people think that they're Muslims, that they're Africans. No, according to the Bible, everybody has a biblical name. You understand? So the Lord is going to discover their real nationality, who they are. And the white people think to play the wicked on the earth. And it says, and he will destroy in this mountain the face of the covering cast over all people and the veil that is spread over all nations. The veil is the nationality. He's going to let them know what their nationality is. And it says here in Isaiah 60, right? It says, arise and shine. Isaiah 60:1. It says, arise and shine, for thy light is come. It says, arise and shine, for the light, the truth has come out on the earth. The truth is out now for real. Because there's been such a deception going around the world that they have a group of Illuminati. You know about the Illuminati? The Illuminati.
Oh, Illuminati.
But only the 32 and 33 degrees know the truth. That these people are the real Jews and they know that they're the devil. Because the Illuminati worship Satan. You understand? And from the 31 degree and down, those are the police officers, the education, the normal people, they don't know anything. But only the all-seeing eye, Lucifer, which is the so-called white man, represents light bearer. The white man is Lucifer. He's the devil. The white man is the devil. He represents Lucifer, which means light bearer. So that's why God says the Illuminati is enlightened one. They think they're enlightened one. They're not enlightened. We are the enlightened one. So we know the truth. You understand? And this it says, arise and shine, for thy light is come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon thee. For behold, darkness shall cover the earth. What darkness? The nationality. People are going to wake up to what's really going on the earth. You understand? Yeah. And gross darkness the people. But the Lord shall rise upon thee, and his glory shall be seen upon thee. And the Gentiles shall come to thy light. Y'all are the Gentiles, y'all are the right? But basically those Gentiles talking about my people, Israel, foreigners, well. going to give us spiritual power to these people, and we're going to enslave all the nations. Okay? For 1,000 years. Okay? Because they put their hands in the sense of God, the real Jews. Okay? All nations are going to go into slavery. Okay? Even y'all are going to go into slavery. But not like hardcore slavery, but y'all going to go like, I might have you like maybe like a maid, like cleaning the house or something, or not like that, you know? But the white people are going to have it like doing hard work, you know what I'm saying? All the society is going to come to an end. No more homosexuality, no more lesbianism, no more eating pig. You know what I'm saying? Because this earth is giving up to the hand of the wicked. Right? Try to y'all family. See here? This is a YouTube channel. GMS is YouTube. You can see the name. It's a YouTube channel. You go on YouTube and search any one of these. Okay? Search any one of these. And then you're going to see us all over the world. We're in England, we're in Amsterdam, we're in Jamaica, we're in Trinidad, we're all over the world. This is Hebrew Israelite Global. We're waking up to who we are. You understand? Because a big deception that's going on in the world, again, it's a conspiracy against these people. The Illuminati is set up to keep these people from waking up to the true identity. Because once they know that these people are God's chosen people, the world wakes up, then they're going to know that those people in the land of Israel, they're imposters. And the world is going to check like, hey, they are the devil. You understand? But I'm a Ahmadinejad knows that we are the real Israel. That's why it says Psalms 83. Psalms 83. Right? You see, those are the real Israelites. You hear them singing? We're the salt of the world. We entertain the world. Okay, that's why we can dance better, we sing better, we do everything better. We are the salt of the earth. Okay? And it says here, keep Psalms 83:1. Keep not thou silence, O God, hold not thy peace and be not still, O power. For Lord, thy enemies make a turmoil. Thy enemies is the other nation, they're making confusion. They're teaching lies. Okay? Turmoil means confusion. For Lord, thy enemies make a turmoil, and they that hate thee has lifted up their head. The nations, them, they are proud now. If I go right now and I steal something, the white man's gonna come with his gun to me, you understand? But really, I'm the king of the earth. We are the kings of the earth. Is it? They have taken crafty counsel against thy people. They have taken crafty counsel against the people, which means their bodies, they come together. That's why they have the UN building. The UN building, the United Nations, they come, as soon as they had war in Iraq, in Palestine, when they had war, all nations came together to the United Nations. They have taken crafty counsel against thy people. That's the United Nations. They all come together. But guess what? You're not going to catch a Negro in there. You're not going to catch a Latino in there. You're not going to catch a Mexican in there. Because why? Because the United Nations, the whole world is against it. And that's what it's going to go into now. That's what it's going to talk about. They have taken crafty counsel against thy people, and they have consulted against thy hidden ones. That's what I say. They have said, come and let us cut them off from being a nation. They have said, all the other nations said, come and let's cut these people off from being a nation. Listen to it, right? They have said, come and let us cut them off from being a nation, that the name of Israel may be no more in remembrance. That this, so then when they came, they enslaved us, they stole our nationality, they stole our land, and then they gave us this name, that the name of Israel may be no more. Then they call us Negroes, they call us Latinos, they call us Brazilians, they call us Haitians, they call us Puerto Ricans, they call us Dominicans, they call us Guatemalans, they call us Cubans. They gave us this word. They said, no, you are this. You are not this. But they didn't the word in it. They call us, you are this. You understand? That's what it is. That's why it says here. And then they're going to mention name who's doing it. It says, they have said, come and let us cut them off from being a nation, that the name of Israel may be no more remembrance. For they have consulted together with one consent, the United Nations, right? They are confederate against thee. And now it's going to mention who are they. It says, the tabernacle of Edom, the first one is the white people. Edomites, the white people are known as Edomites. Those are the first ones that are against us. It says, the Ishmaelites, they are against these people as well. Because the Ishmaelites, they built the boat. The white man brought us to the other side of the world. The
What
Africans,
the Ishmaelites and the Ishmaelites?
yeah, you're the Ishmaelites. Y'all built, when we run West Africa, the Africans capture us because my people were not African. Because the Israelites, when they was in Egypt in slavery, they were in slavery under another dark race. So we are not like the Africans. The Egyptians, they are descended from Ham. Those are the Egyptians are Africans. They are Hamites. Okay, they are Mizraim, and the Mizraim had the children of Israel in slavery. And then the Lord said, Moses, deliver the children of Israel from a dark age, from a dark people. Okay, and what did the Lord do? He drowned those dark people in the ocean because we are not the same as those dark people. So it says here, so they have consulted together with one consent. They are confederate against it. They are against these people here. The tabernacle of Edom, which is the white people, the Ishmaelites, the Muslims, the Moab, the Chinese, right? The Hagarites, which are the Africans, Gabal, which is more African, Ammon, which is the Chinese and the Japanese, right? Amalek is the so-called Jews in the land of Israel, the tribe of Amalek, like I told you. They are the tribe, they are one of the descendants of the white people. Right? So the tribe of Amalek is now in the land of Israel. Those are the ones that are killing the people. Those are the lowest forms. The Lord says that when the children of Israel go back into the land of Israel, they shall not learn war anymore. What's going on there? Pure war. And number two, when the children of Israel go back into them, they will not have homosexuality. They have in Tel Aviv, they have a parade called Pink City, where they parade homosexuality up and down in the Holy Land. So those are not God's chosen people. Okay? It says, Amalek, the Philistines, which are Africans, were the inhabitants of Tyre, which is the Arabs, the Ishmaelites, right? Ashur is also, the Assyrians also are joined unto them. Selah. Right? Okay. So that's about it. So basically, we're going to wake up, these people are going to wake up, just spread the truth, let them know that these are God's chosen people. And the people in the land of Israel, the imposters, let your people know that. And it's going to be a great, this whole society here you see, is going to be as an illusion. It's never going to be remembered.
I also believe in that.
You understand? What's going to happen is, you want to know when the end is going to come? When Russia and America goes to war. Because you see the battle against each other, they want to go to war, but America is trying to push, like, poking Putin, like, do something, you understand? But the day that happens, that's when this whole society is going to change, and then these people are going to be in power. And you're going to see the laws coming back in the so-called UFOs. That you see they're flying all over the world. Yeah. Those are the chariots of Israel. The so-called white man like to make mockery. Those are big black men inside there with big afro and big woolly hair. Okay, big strong black men, which are the angels of the Lord. And but the white man, he like to make mockery. He like to put an American daddy, he like to make him look like a little green man with a green head, with big eyes. He's making mockery of the angels. But those are the angels of the Lord, which is all over in the Bible. It speaks about them. Right? They're gonna come back. The whole sky is gonna be covered up with them chariots, and then they're gonna be beaming up these people. 144,000 and 1/3, but 2/3 of these people are gonna be put to death as well. You take a ball like this, and you cut it in 3 slices. You take 2 slices and you destroy it. Why 2 of them? 2 of them because these people are selling drugs, prostituting their women, being pimps. I'm selling drugs, killing each other in the ghetto, right? I'm a murder, being homosexuals and lesbians, worshiping the white man music industry, playing sports, selling out to Satan, to the Illuminati. You understand? To become rich and wealthy, they gotta sell out to the Illuminati. So basically, 2/3 of these people, all them so-called rappers, they're gonna be destroyed because they sold their soul to become famous. You understand? So basically, 2/3 of these people are gonna be destroyed because they're not willing to wake up to. They're not gonna wake up to who they are, that they are Israelites. Because once they wake up that they are Israelites from the tribe of Benjamin and the father's name and the son's name, they're gonna be delivered. When the Lord comes back with a big chariot and calls them in, they're gonna be beamed up. At that same time, America and Russia gonna collide. Russia gonna shoot missiles to America. And in 1 hour, America is going to be destroyed off the face of the earth. It's going to be turned into a desert. The whole America. Right? The Lord said, war is the land that received thy people, thy saints. Because we went to slavery there, and because we had to serve hardcore slavery. What happened to Egypt when we served hardcore slavery? The Lord turned it into a desert. You understand? The Lord destroyed. You understand? And then now this time we went to slavery into America. What's going to happen to America? It's going to become a desert as well. It's going to be destroyed, wiped out the map. It's going to become, the only thing that's going to live there is like wild desert creatures, like snakes, scorpions, owls. You know? But that's about it that I have to say, you know. But there's going to be a great, just look up for Russia going to war in America. Once you see that, then you know these people are coming into power.
I will keep that in mind. I hope I don't.
Russia is known as Gog and Magog in the Bible. You understand?
Yeah.
And America